Hey, so if your Google form isn't loading, like it's stuck on a blank page or just keeps spinning, yeah, that can be really frustrating. But don't worry, this is usually a quick fix. I'll walk you through it step by step, so let's get into it. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. A slow or unstable connection can prevent the form from loading properly. Next, try refreshing the page. Yeah, sometimes it's just a temporary glitch that a quick reload can fix. Now, clear your browser cache and cookies. Old or corrupted data can stop Google Forms from loading. If it's still not working, open the form in another browser, like Chrome, Edge, or Safari. Sometimes the issue is browser specific. Also, extensions like ad blockers or privacy tools can block scripts and stop the form from loading. Try disabling them temporarily. Now, try opening the form in incognito or private mode. This disables extensions and uses a clean session. If the form requires sign in, make sure you're logged into your Google account. Otherwise, it might not load properly. If you're using a VPN or proxy, try turning it off. Yeah, sometimes it can interfere with loading Google services. And yeah, sometimes the issue isn't on your side. Google services might be down, so check their status page. So yeah, that's how you fix Google Forms not loading problems. One of these steps should get your form working again. All right? Thanks for watching.